removing TikTok Studio from your profile. Intro, accidentally enabled TikTok Studio on your account and now want to remove it? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to take it off your profile. Step 1, open TikTok app. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Step 2, go to Settings, tap the 3 lines in the top right corner, then choose Settings and Privacy. Step 3, find TikTok Studio Settings. Scroll down and tap on Creator Tools. Here you'll see TikTok Studio listed as one of the tools. Step 4, disable TikTok Studio. Tap TikTok Studio, then look for the option to turn off or disable. Confirm your choice and TikTok Studio will be removed from your profile. Step 5, restart app. Close the app and open it again to make sure the changes are applied. Outro. And that's it! TikTok Studio has now been removed from your profile. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more TikTok tips.